so I just need to do an update on the firmware on the Swordfish controller, because the issue that I've had is that when I hit the E-stop it would turn the laser off, but when I reset the E-stop the laser would come straight back on. So they've done a firmware upgrade, and I just need to install it. So if we come up here to the three dots and we go to help, that will open their support page. And then so what we want to do is over here where it says configuration settings, click on that. It gives us the instructions here how to do it. So I've already actually done this, and we click on here and this will bring us to the latest version. So that tells you what the bug fixes are, and 3.05 was the one that actually fixed the problem that I had, and there you can see. So I'm actually going to put the latest on because there's some other changes obviously, so that we have the latest. Cool. So when you download that, that'll end up into your downloads folder, and there's mine right there. Cool. And I've now done the instructions for the rest of it. Cool. So what we're going to do is follow these instructions. So we need to type M997 into the controller. So we'll do that now. So we've got that typed in up here. Cool. So it's opened up this folder down here. So we want to open the file. Cool. So that's got that open, and now what we need to do, we'll give it a go. So this is what we're after. So I'm just going to copy it across into here. Cool. And hopefully it'll go through and do a reboot. Oh, and it has, I didn't have to push anything, it did that automatically, and we're now at 3.6. So that is the latest version. Cool, so what I'm going to do now is test to see if that function, the stop now, works.